There was a time when the world believed that beauty and goodness were the same thing. That to shape marble was to shape the soul. That to refine thought was to refine character. That the human being could rise not by force, but by clarity. This was ancient Greece, the birthplace of philosophy, the forge of art, the mirror in which humanity first recognized itself. But something happened. The pursuit of wisdom slowly shifted into the pursuit of elegance. The question changed from what is good to what is pleasing. From how should I live to how should I appear. When the beautiful replaced the good, the center collapsed, because beauty on its own is light without warmth. It dazzles, but it does not guide. And when a civilization begins to admire itself more than it examines itself, its fall has already begun. Centuries passed. Another world rises on the same foundations. Modern Europe. Cathedrals, universities, symphonies, revolutions of thought. The very architecture of meaning. But today, Europe stands in a strange quiet, not defeated, not destroyed, but tired. The museums remain full, the libraries remain open, the monuments still stand, but the fire that once built them flickers faintly. The artist replaced the sage. The critic replaced the poet. The spectator replaced the pilgrim. And the question shifted again from what is true to what is interesting. Sophistication replaced wisdom, cleverness replaced conviction, irony replaced reverence, and a civilization that cannot revere anything, cannot create anything lasting. This is the tragedy of the exhausted mind. It knows everything, but believes in nothing. Europe today carries the memory of greatness, like an heirloom too fragile to touch, admired yet unused, preserved yet Meanwhile, the cathedral bells grow quieter. The philosophers are quoted, but not obeyed. The arts are consumed, but not lived. The aesthete has won, but the victory is hollow. Because the civilization cannot be sustained by beauty alone. Beauty is a crown, not a foundation. When there is no purpose beneath the beauty, beauty becomes costume, decoration, surface, and a surface, no matter how polished, cannot hold the weight of a people. The Greeks learned this. Europe is learning it again. Wisdom became sophistication. Sophistication became skepticism. Skepticism became stagnation. What once lifted humanity now merely decorates it. But decline is not destiny. Every fall is also a turning. If beauty is to matter again, it must serve the good. The beautiful must not be worshipped. It must point to meaning, to virtue, to something higher. Because when pleasure replaces purpose, greatness becomes theater. And theater cannot hold the world. The beautiful without the good is only vanity. And every vanity is the prelude to ruin.